Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change your birthday on your Facebook account. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Changing your birthday on Facebook can have various short-term and long-term effects. There are several reasons why you might choose to change your birthday on Facebook. Like if you entered the wrong birthday when creating your account, you might want to fix it for accuracy, to meet age restrictions, and for privacy concerns. When you change your birthday on Facebook, your Facebook profile will reflect your new birth date, potentially impacting age-related details displayed on your page. Facebook's algorithm might adjust friend suggestions based on your updated age, potentially aligning you with users closer to your new age group. To change your current birthday and set a new one on your Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile app. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. If you are using iPhone, it is in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu of the app, giving you access to various settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Setting and Privacy, tap on Settings for further account settings. Tap on Profile Details under the Account Center section. Now, a menu will appear with various options for account details and security. Again, tap on Account Details under Account Settings. A menu will appear with contact information and birthday. Tap on Birthday. Then, tap on Edit from the right side of your current displayed birthday. After that, tap on your current birthday to edit the month, day, and year. Edit your birthday information and tap on the Set button. Remember, you can only change your birthday once a year. Finally, tap Save to save changes. This will confirm your changes and update your birthday information on your Facebook profile. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.